This quick tutorial explains how to buy shares of KBR Inc., a global engineering and construction firm listed on NASDAQ under the ticker KBR. This is educational information and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds to place a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker KBR to find KBR Inc. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ listing for the company. On the asset page, check the company overview, sector details, and the price chart to confirm you have the right stock. Verify the symbol KBR in the exchange before proceeding. Press Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when the market reopens. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase can be completed. Once the order is executed, the position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description to follow the same example.